guys, let's take a look at toe touches. So this is what it looks like. And from the side. So when we break that down, the benefits are building length through the posterior chain. We're also getting some nice hip mobility as well. So just getting the body nice and warm. The way we start is with the feet under our hips, the shoulders stacked above the hips, and we're gonna just lengthen the arms. So reaching up nice and high. From here, we're gonna hinge forward from the hips, reaching as far as we can, so you can reach for the toes. If you can't reach your toes, go for your shins, your knees, or your thighs. But pushing our hips all the way back to get our hamstrings engaged, and then as we come up, pushing into the heels, stacking our hips under the shoulders, and pushing our fingertips all the way to the ceiling. We're just gonna continue moving through that to get really nice and warm and prepare our body for the work ahead.